So, Upwork. You want to know, is it worth it to become a freelance writer on Upwork? Can you actually find clients this year in 2020 on Upwork? Well, the answer might surprise you, and that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. I'm going to tell you, is it worth your time, or is it a complete waste to try and register on Upwork and find those jobs? And I was going to do my typical, studio setup here, but I feel like getting saucy today. Let's go walk around and try and hide my messy house from you and shoot some stuff in some different areas. Roll the intro. It was supposed to snow today. In Portland, if it's supposed to snow, that means the city completely freaks out. And more often than not, nothing happens. As is the case today. Okay, so Upwork for freelance writers in 2020. Here's the thing you gotta realize. There's a ton of writers on Upwork. In fact, there is so much competition on Upwork that even trying to get your application approved to be a writer on Upwork, not even get jobs, just to get onto the platform, well, 9 times out of 10, it's gonna be denied. So that's a little bit problematic if you're actually trying to get writing work on Upwork. And to make matters even worse, most people on Upwork don't pay that much money. So you spend hours and hours and hours looking for those hidden gems where you've got to compete with dozens, if not hundreds of other people to get the actual good, high-paying work. And that's not fun. Okay, so I lied. So there was a little bit of snow, but I live in the hills, like actual Portland, there was no snow. So I'm not gonna say it's impossible to get work on Upwork. I mean, obviously people do it. I'm just saying it's probably not the best use of your time if you're trying to find new clients, if you're trying to break into the world of freelance writing online. There are much better ways to find freelance writing work than Upwork. Again, it can be done. You can do it. But is it the best way, and is it the best use of your time? Probably not. While it may not have really snowed, not to say that it isn't cold. Going back inside. Don't judge me for my bar. Like I said, I like cocktails. But what do you do if you don't get on Upwork? Most people think about freelance writing, they think, okay, I gotta get on Upwork. That's how I'm gonna get work. So if you're not gonna do Upwork, if that's a waste of your time, then what are you supposed to do? I'm gonna tell you what you should do in just a second. Okay, definitely time to change flowers. But if you're not gonna do Upwork, then there's 2 things you need to do in order to start getting freelance clients online. They're going to be way better than slogging through Upwork trying to find low-paying jobs. So what are they? The first one is there are plenty of other message boards, newsletters, and websites out there for getting work. In fact, we've got a link below to over 100 of them. So when you're done watching this video, go look at that list of over 100 better options than Upwork for finding work. Second thing, even better than going to all of those job boards, is actually learning how to do a proper outreach to businesses, to people, to organizations that are looking to hire writers. There is a right and a wrong way to do this, but learning how to send a personal, cold email to potential clients is the single best way I know of for getting freelance work. We've also got a link below on a whole tutorial for how to do that. So if you've been considering Upwork and if you're not sure you should do it, those are the 2 approaches. Find better websites that have higher paying, easier to get work, and learn how to reach out to the right people at the right time in the right way. It's really as simple as that. I mean, it's not easy because it takes time and can be frustrating and you're gonna have your ups and your downs, but the work itself is simple. The process is simple. So, can you get work on Upwork? Sure, you absolutely can get work on Upwork. If you are starting from scratch, is it the best use of your time? Probably not. Should you sign up anyway and give it a shot just in case you can find some stuff? Yeah, why not? It doesn't hurt. You want to try as many different options as possible. When you're a freelance writer, you want to put as many lines into the water as possible to try and get work. And so these are just a few of the different options, but Upwork, generally not the best one. Okay, Did you like this video? Was it helpful? We have new videos every Monday, every Thursday that are gonna teach you how to build a freelance writing business, a lifestyle business, something that's gonna get you out of your 9-to-5 job and allow you to work from, well, wherever you want. You wanna work from a beach in Bali, you wanna work from a coffee shop in Portland, you wanna work at home in your sweats, you can do all those things. That's what we teach you how to do. So go hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we got a new video. And if you liked this one, if it was helpful, hit that thumbs up button. You'll learn. I like the thumbs up, so just take a second, do that right now. And head over to locationrebel.com/FWG. That stands for Freelance Writing Guide, where you're gonna get a 6-day free course all about how to build a freelance writing business that is sustainable, that's gonna make you real money. It's awesome. So go sign up, go do that, and we'll catch you on the next video, where I'm gonna try and clean up my house to make it a little bit easier to shoot all of this type of stuff. So have a good day. Peace.